Question number 1. From which port of England Titanic started its journey? Option A. Liverpool, B. Manchester, C. Sunderland, D. Southampton. Answer is option D. Southampton. Question number 2. Which country is called by the Graveyard of Empire? Option A. Belgium, B. Italy, C. Afghanistan, D. United Kingdom. Answer is option C. Afghanistan. Question number 3. Who described himself as the light of the world? Option A. Jesus Christ, B. Alexander, C. Adolf Hitler, D. Gautam Buddha. Answer is option A. Jesus Christ. Question number 4. Who was the first sailor to sail around the world? Option A. Ferdinand Magellan, B. Vasco da Gama, C. Christopher Columbus, D. Amerigo Vespucci. Answer is option A. Ferdinand Magellan. Question number 5. Who is the artist of the world-famous painting Mona Lisa? Option A. Filippo Brunelleschi, B. Michelangelo, C. Vincent van Gogh, D. Leonardo da Vinci. Answer is option D. Leonardo da Vinci. Question number 6. Leonardo da Vinci was born in which city? Option A. Rome, B. Milan, C. Florence, D. Madrid. Answer is option C. Florence. Question number 7. In which year America got independence? Option A. 1760, B. 1776, C. 1780, D. 1782. Answer is option B. 1776. Question number 8. Which name the king of Egypt is known? Option A. Pharaoh, B. Monarch, C. Duke, D. Lord. Answer is option A. Pharaoh. Question number 9. Which pharaoh built the Great Pyramid of Giza? Option A. Sneferu, B. Tutankhamun, C. Khufu, D. None of the above. Answer is option C. Khufu. Question number 10. Who is generally considered as the first pharaoh of Egypt? Option A. Menes, B. Semerkhet, C. Tiklet, D. Tutankhamun. Answer is option A. Menes. Question number 11. In which country Industrial Revolution first started? Option A. France, B. Germany, C. Italy, B. England. Answer is option D. England. Question number 12. In which year modern Olympic first started? Option A. 1890, B. 1896, C. 1900, D. 1930. Answer is option B. 1896. Question number 13. Where was the first modern Olympics held? Option A. Berlin, B. Paris, C. Tokyo, D. Athens. Answer is option D. Athens. Question number 14. In which year George Washington became the first president of USA? Option A. 1735, B. 1765, C. 1770, D. 1789. Answer is option D. 1789. Question number 15. Who was the first female Prime Minister of the world? Option A. Sheikh Hasina Wajid, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Margaret Thatcher, D. Sirimavo Bandaranaike. Answer is option D. Sirimavo Bandaranaike. Question number 16. Who is known as man of blood and iron? Option A. Bismarck, B. Napoleon, C. Ho Chi Minh, D. Sir Walter Scott. Answer is option A. Bismarck. Question number 17. What is the second largest continent in the world? Option A. Asia, B. Africa, C. North America, D. Antarctica. Answer is option B. Africa. Question number 17. What is the second largest country in the world by total area? Option A. China, B. United States, C. Canada, D. Russia. Answer is option B. Canada. Question number 18. What is the second largest ocean in the world? Option A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Indian Ocean, C. Southern Ocean, D. Pacific Ocean. Answer is option A. Atlantic Ocean. Question number 19. Which movie won the Best Picture Oscar in 2017? Option A. La La Land, B. Hacksaw Ridge, C. Moonlight, D. Manchester by the Sea. Answer is option C. Moonlight. Question number 20. Which movie won the Best Picture Oscar in 2020? Option A. Joker, B. 1917, C. Parasite, D. Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. Answer is option C. Parasite.